All right, if you like pocket knives, then you're gonna want to stick around for this one because this is called Doom Blades. Doom Blade is a Chinese knife, but they don't have China written on them anywhere. So uh, D2 steel, G10 handles. It has ball bearing pivots, stainless steel liners, liner lock. I mean, these are some really, really nice knives for the price. They come with pocket clips. I've got one over here. I take all my pocket clips off, but this is the pocket clip they come with. It's pretty beefy little pocket clip. I think this is pocket clip for maybe one like this one here. But yeah, they come with pocket clips, but I take them all off because personally I don't like pocket clips. Doom blade, sharpen up really nice, um, nice steel, thick, nice action. And really, really nice action. They all center correctly. They're pretty snappy on the opening. Um, this one here, like I say, they all center up nicely. They all have nice action. And all of them, like I say, are D2 steel, G10 handles, stainless steel liners with ball bearing pivots. So they all have really smooth action. I bought this one just because of the handles. I like these handles. So they're all smooth. They all center correctly. This one has a spacer on the back of it. I think the majority of them. No, this one's stainless spacer. This one here is stainless spacer. This one's stainless spacer. And this one has a other spacer in it. This one here is the first one I bought. I like the way it looked. I like the price. I wasn't sure what I was going to get when I bought it. But when I bought it, it turned out to be super nice. So obviously I bought quite a few more. Yeah, because for the price you can't beat this knife at all. Equivalent prices to these knives are anywhere between 40 and 80 bucks up to maybe 120. Some places I've seen, you know, other brands, not this brand, because this brand here, believe it or not, none of these knives are over $20. They're less than $20. Shipped, free shipping on all of them. I'll put a link in the description below. Like I said, they all have centering, nice centering. They're all nicely closed, open and closed. So, I mean, it doesn't get any better than that. This one here is the monster of them all. I mean, this thing is thick, it's heavy, nice handles, nice blade on it. I like the G10 handles. They got some grip to them. Yeah. But this is a chunky little knife right there. I mean, look at the difference in them. I mean, look at that. It's a good sized knife. Like I say, all the centering is nice on them. Opening is nice. Closing is nice. Now my favorites. They're all my favorites, pretty much. I like this one, yeah, for like everyday carry. Throw this one in my pocket or my bag or whatever. Carry that one around. This one and this one I bought for camping, because they're substantial, thick knives. This one I bought just because it was there, and it's, big beefy knife. So I bought that one. That's why I bought this one in orange. And this one I bought for the fidget factor. Just sit around and just flick all day long. This knife's probably been flicked over 1,000, 1,500 times. Just flip like this. Just over and over. Oop, had a misfire. They will misfire every now and then when you don't close them all the way. Like if you just close it there, try to open it, it's going to misfire. Close it all the way. It gets on the detent, what they call the detent. Let's see if you can see it. Right there, the detent. That's what holds the knife in from coming out and helps it open whenever you go to open it. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, you can see it right in there. Little piece of metal. It's inside, just a little divot that's on there, and it goes into a little spot on the knife, and that's what holds it. And you can open and close it. Like I say, this one, the fidget factor is unbelievable. So that's what I keep this one for. Plus it looks nice. When I go somewhere or something and get the need to, sit there, flick my knife all day long. And this is what I use. And this one's lighter than this one. This one here is a beefy knife. Heavy. I say heavy. Speaking of heavy, why don't we just check the weights while we're here. Okay, we're on ounces. This one here is 3.1 ounces. The brown one. Oh, this one comes in black too. This one comes in several different colors. Green, black, blue, grass green, which is like a neon looking green. Several different colors. This one comes in blue and black. I mean brown and black. 3.7 on that one. This one here comes in brown, orange, and black, I think. This one's a whopping 5.7 grams. Ounces. This one's 5 ounces. That's why I say that's a beefy knife for what it is. This one's 4.5, almost, 4.6, 4.5, 4.6 ounces. That's why I usually carry this one here around with me. It's 3.7. That's why that's my everyday carry on them. If not this one, A lot of times I'll just throw this one in my pocket because it's small, it's light, and it's a pocket knife. I mean, it's a good looking pocket knife at that. But Doom Blades, man, for like I say, the price under $20. You cannot beat this knife for under $20. I think Smoky Mountain Knife Works has this knife here for a little over $40. So I mean, you know, and this knife here is cheaper. I think it's like around $15, $15 for this knife. I think this one here was like 18. I think this one here was around 18. This one here is around 16, 17. And this one here is around 16, 17, maybe no more than 18 on that one. So, whoa. So yeah, you want a great pocket knife? Check these out. Like I said, I'll leave the link in the description. And it'll be a eBay link. It's an affiliate link. They don't charge you anymore to use it. It just throws a few cents my way and helps out the channel. So check it out and appreciate it. Hit that sub button for the next video and catch you later.